Welcome to Al-Balad, the historic heart of Jeddah, a place where centuries of culture, trade, and tradition come alive in winding alleyways paved with history. Shot in breathtaking 4K HDR, today you're walking with us through 10 must-see sites in this iconic UNESCO World Heritage District. A living museum rooted in the ancient Red Sea trade, pilgrimage paths to Mecca, and the beating heart of Saudi heritage. Today's walk isn't just a tour, it's a journey through time. Gate of Mecca, Al-Balad's ancient threshold. Your first step into Al-Balad begins at the storied Gate of Mecca, known locally as Bab Makkah. Here, generations of pilgrims once passed through on their way to the holy city of Mecca itself. This gateway has witnessed the footsteps of countless souls, traders, scholars, and travelers over more than a millennium. As you walk under this archway, take a breath and imagine the caravans of the past, ships arriving from the Red Sea, and pilgrims trekking inland, all converging here in what was, for centuries, Saudi Arabia's cultural crossroads. The texture of the historic wall, the detail in every stone, carries whispers of stories you can almost hear. 2. Coral stone streets, a living architectural canvas. Once inside, your eyes are drawn instantly upward. The buildings here are crafted from coral stone blocks, quarried from the sea, bound with lime and mud, washed in pale plaster, materials that kept interiors cool long before modern air conditioning. Look closely. Every facade here tells a story. These walls have stood firm against coastal humidity and shifting sands. They breathe with the history of this place. You'll notice one defining feature above all others, the rawashin, the intricately carved wooden lattice windows that project from the upper stories. They're stunning, not just for the craftsmanship, but for what they tell you about life here. These windows were both practical and poetic, letting breezes in, shade out, and offering privacy without isolation. 3. Souk Qabil, the oldest marketplace in town. Right in the heart of this historic web lies Souk Qabil, one of Al-Balad's oldest and most beloved market streets. Feel the rhythm of this boulevard, traders calling out, spices and incense perfuming the air, and shop fronts brimming with treasures that reflect centuries of commerce. Here you can find aromatic spices, handcrafted perfumes, jewelry, traditional fabrics. This is not just a market, it's a sensory gateway into local life. The sounds of haggling, the smiles of shopkeepers, the vibrant exchange that has kept this district alive through generations. 4. Beit Nassif, Jeddah's living history mansion. As we step deeper, one of the most iconic structures you will encounter is Beit Nassif, the grand mansion that once hosted King Abdul Aziz, the founder of modern Saudi Arabia. This remarkable building represents not just architectural beauty, but historical significance. Its coral walls and wooden lattice windows are elaborate, grand, and commanding, and standing here, you'll feel the centuries of prestige that passed through these doors. Today, Beit Nassif serves as a living reminder of Jeddah's heritage, restored to retain its former glory and narrative strength. You feel history around you here, in every beam, every intricate motif. 5. Al-Dahab Street, the old pilgrimage path reborn. Winding through the district is the celebrated Al-Dahab Street, once the only way for pilgrims to journey from Jeddah to Mecca itself. As you walk here, you'll see the pulse of Al-Balad's heritage in real time. Shops line the way, each with stories, and perhaps haggling is still welcome here, just like 100 years ago. And look up. That distinctive three-story cylindrical Raushan is one of the most original architectural feats you'll see in the district. While it may seem ornamental, it shows the wealth and pride of the families who designed it. This street is where past and present meet, where pilgrims and vendors once shared this same dusty route, now bustling with modern energy, but still rooted in history. 6. Historic mosques. Spiritual echoes through time. Al-Balad holds more than 36 historic mosques scattered throughout its maze of streets, each a gem of spiritual architecture and community life. Among these, some of the most memorable include Al-Shafi'i Mosque, its elegant minaret a beacon through the ages. Uthman bin Affan Mosque, one of the oldest coral stone mosques, dating back over 1,000 years. These sacred spaces are not silent relics. The call to prayer still rises through the alleys here, echoing from walls that have witnessed countless prayers, celebrations, and daily rituals. It's a living heritage, one that continues to shape the rhythm of life here in Al-Balad. 7. Traditional Hijazi houses, stories in every corner. You'll notice a unique architectural vocabulary in every twist of Al-Balad. The Hijazi houses, built from coral stone, wrapped in wooden lattices, and positioned to harness every bit of shade and breeze available. Families here developed an architectural form that was functional to withstand the desert heat and beautiful, like poetry in wood and stone. As you walk past these homes, imagine daily life centuries ago. Children running through alleyways, merchants returning from port, the fragrance of home-cooked meals drifting outward. Many of these homes have now been transformed into museums, art spaces, cafes, and heritage hotels, thanks to restoration efforts that are breathing new life into Al-Balad. Walking here feels like strolling through a neighborhood frozen in time, yet evolving with modern vibrancy. 8. Hidden courtyards and cultural squares, quiet corners of reflection. Every so often as you walk, you'll discover a hidden courtyard tucked between buildings, secret gardens and cultural squares that invite you to pause and absorb your surroundings. Here you might find shaded benches where elders gather, small art exhibitions, cafes nestled into historic walls, sprinklings of green that contrast with sun-bleached stone. These quiet corners are part of what makes Al-Balad more than a collection of sites. They make it a living neighborhood. These spaces ripple with life, small conversations, the sound of tea poured, laughter between friends. They reveal the soul of the city, not flashy, but human. 9. Local markets and shops where tradition meets today. Beyond Souk Kabil, Al-Balad is home to vibrant clusters of traditional markets, each with its own character. Perfume and incense shops, hand-woven textiles and garments, souvenirs and artisan jewelry, local snacks and street food stalls. There's a rhythm here, one that invites your senses to explore. The waft of cardamom and oud, the shimmer of brass lamps, the colorful fabrics catching sunlight at unexpected angles. This is where tradition meets the contemporary, ancient craftsmanship offered to modern travelers eager to bring a piece of Al-Balad home with them. 10. Sunset stroll and nighttime glow. Al-Balad after dark. As the sun dips low, the historic district transforms. Lanterns and streetlights cast a warm glow over coral walls and wooden balconies. The atmosphere shifts, not quieter, but softer. Cultural events, music, and even contemporary festivals find a place in Al-Balad's nighttime heartbeat. Locals and visitors alike wander with lanterns in hand, exchanging tales of the day over cups of traditional coffee. Here, at sunset and into the night, you experience both the spirit of history and the pulse of present-day Jeddah, timeless yet alive. Al-Balad isn't just a place on a map, it's a testament to human story and resilience. From ancient gateways to vibrant souks, from coral stone walls to hidden cultural treasures, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a journey into the past that resonates with life today. Thank you for walking with us through Al-Balad, Jeddah's historic heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our next 4K HDR travel adventure. And if you've been here yourself, share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.